I'm so happy to be here. Yeah. I'm just happy to be here. Still I know the world's on fire, the situation's dire. A lot of work and courage gonna be required, but I'm just happy to be here. I'm sure there's many versions inside this multiverse where I put it in forward instead of in reverse, or the technical skill I neglected to rehearse understandably landed me handedly in a world of hurt. It could be worse. I could be cursed to be living a life stuck on a different timeline where I never find time to discover my path and never ask the questions that I needed to ask and never sign the bottom line on my soul contract. And the multiple me's that just might be insignificant in this infinity, but still strumming the chords on a string.